in 93 Hotel Premier Seoul in Pangyo, and I'll show you the room tour. So my room is located in the 5th floor, and when you enter the room, you can see this. So this is the do not disturb and makeup room, and sa card light key, and this is the light for the bathroom, and you can see what the bathroom looks like. This is what the toilet bowl looks like, and of course there are lots of gadgets, high-tech. And then you're given 3 towels here, hand towels, and meron tayong hand dryer, and ito yung mga amenities. So shower cup, cotton pad, cotton buds, sanitary bag, dental kits, and then 3 na baso, and then body lotion. Tapos, ito is yung soap, hand soap. And mayroon tayo ditong outlet. And then, ayan, toilet bowl, body, towels, and trash can. Tapos, ito yung itsura ng bathroom nila. And then, yun, meron tayong shampoo, hair conditioner, and hair gel. And then, from here, you can see yung shower nila. Typical na Korean shower, but may door. Kasi hindi siya wet room eh. Pero ito hindi. So anyways, may isang malaking mirror, and then across the bathroom, you can see that this is the closet. Medyo maliit. No? Pero may 3 bathrobe here, and then 3 slippers. And then, ito, laundry bag yata to. I think laundry bag. Yeah. And then may safe, and then a fire extinguisher. Tapos meron dito bench to have your luggages. And then ito yung kama, malaking kama. So 1 queen size bed. And then you can see there's a phone here. And may mga charging port siya. Uy, good. So, yun. And then, here, meron tissue siya. And then, yun, may hotel guide, naka-QR code. And then, we have a hot kettle, ice bucket, tea, sugar, and some coffee. No? Drawers, meron din. Ooh, may wine glass. Ay, ang galing. Marami siyang bottle. Marami siyang paper cups. So, feel ko sa pandemic to kaya naka-paper cup sila. And ito yung mini fridge na kasama. So, yan. Walang mini bar, pero wala ka malalagay dito, maliit. So, anyways, at least 3 water. Good for 3 yata tong room na to. Ito yung TV. And check out the view from my room. Ganda din dito, no? Parang ito yata yung nila, yung Makati. So, parang Pangyo, Silicon Valley, something like that. Nakita ko. So, mukhang techno hub nila itong place na to. So, why am I here? Currently in 93 Hotel Seoul, Premier Seoul in Pangyo. We have a convention in the Korean Continent Society. And na-sponsor ako kasi nagpasa ko ng research paper for presentation. And then the society sponsored my room and my registration fee. Yun. So, syempre, yan yung mga style natin para makakuha tayo ng mga libreng access and libreng hotel sa convention. Di na lang merong full-length mirror here para makapag-OOTD ako. So, hope you like this video for the room tour of 93 Premier Hotel Seoul Pangyo. Ang haba. So, if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to this channel. Bye-bye!